everyone! Today we're at the beach for some rest and relaxation. Whoa! Careful with your belongings, Blue, or you might lose them. Oh, fantastic work, Eric and Dylan! And you too, Blue.
Hola, Gecko! What a spectacular sand garage!
Thanks, Cat. Did you find any buried treasure with your metal detector?
See, whenever my detector finds something made of metal, it makes this sound.
Amazing! It's a treasure trove. Ah, what a perfect end to a great day at the beach. Time to go home. Rusty wrenches! Where are my garage keys? Did they fall in the sand?
The keys are made of metal. Let's look for them with my metal detector.
Great idea, Cat.
Ah, there. I think your keys are inside the sand garage.
Inside? I must have dropped them while making the sand garage. Thanks, Cat. Now to get them out.
Hurry! The sun is setting and soon it will be too dark to find them.
Hang on, Red. Our friends Eric and Dylan worked very hard on this sand garage. Digging might destroy it.
If only we could pull the keys out without breaking the sandcastle.
That's it, Cat. We can use a magnet to find the keys. But we're going to need some help. What tools do we need? Wrench, screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. A magnet instead of spades and hands will pull the keys through the sand. We'll attach this magnet to Eric's arm to reach the keys without doing harm. Eric's arm will help us reach the keys hidden underneath this beach.
Meow wow! That must be the keys.
Yes, indeed. This way, Eric. Phew! We got the keys! And the sand garage is safe. Now let's head on home. Wait, where did Blue go?
We might need a bigger magnet for this one.
I think you're right. Goodbye, everyone. Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old.
Pass me a wrench, please. This bolt is loose. We best get going, Tilly. We don't want to be late. Oh, no. Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in.
Good morning, Mechanicals. Up bright and early for a new day's work. Blue? Nuts and bolts. I think he's sleepwalking. Wake up, Blue. A garage is not a safe place to be sleepwalking. Blue? 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 Hello, everyone. Look, it's snowing. Today we're... Wah! Careful, Blue. Wait, Tilly. You haven't got your snow tyres.
Behold! Sly is the best snow vehicle ever! Ah! Who threw that? That pesky frog and his trash cans! I'll show them! Take that!
Let's get Tilly out of there. Push mechanicals. Shivering screwdrivers. Now Tilly's a giant snowball. Oh, poor Tilly. You look freezing. You need winterproofing. Come on, Mex. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Let's get this new radiator into Tilly, so she'll stay warm and stop being chilly. The next thing that Tilly requires is this set of special snow tyres. Each new tyre will get a snow chain to help Tilly drive in wintry terrain. It's the emergency alarm. Someone needs help. Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Oh no! Mr. Weasel's stuck in the snow. Do you need us to tow you back to the garage, Mr. Weasel?
No, I don't. Sly's very capable in the snow. Ew! It's dripping down my neck! Oh!
Oh dear, that's no good, Mr. Weasel. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We've just dug this big hole so I can repair a leaky water pipe. Come on, mechanicals. Let's get you cleaned up. It's nearly bedtime. Thanks for your great work, Eric. All clean, mechanicals. Don't worry, mechanicals. There aren't any scorpions here. Ah! Huh? Ah! Spinning screwdrivers! It's a giant scorpion! Wait! I know what's going on here. Come on, you lot. Things aren't always what they seem. First, let's get all this mud off you. See, mechanicals? It's not a giant scorpion. It's our friend Eric. Now let's get your digger arm repaired. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on, mechanicals, there's no time to lose. Let's undo these great big screws. The hydraulic pistons make Eric so strong. Let's put these new ones where they belong. You're all fixed and ready to roll. Just don't fall back into that big hole. Great work, Mechanicals! We made Eric strong and powerful again! Bye, everyone! All done, Mechanicals. It's Christmas Eve, and the garage looks perfect. Do you all know what you want from Santa? Oh, you don't know, Blue? Well, you'd better decide. Santa will be here soon. Whoa! I didn't think he'd be here that soon. Hello, Santa.
Gecko, I need your help. My reindeers are ill, so my sleigh won't fly, and I need to ride it through the sky. If I don't deliver all these toys, there'll be no Christmas for the girls and boys.
Don't worry, Santa. We'll get it flying. That's it.
Christmas is saved by Gecko's crew, so here's a gift for each of you.
Just what I need. Thank you, Santa. Have you decided what you want, Blue?
Oh, you want to ride upon my sleigh? Then hop on board. Let's fly away. Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, Merry Christmas from all of us here at Gecko's Garage.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Aha! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Ooh. Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! It's Mummy Truck and Baby Truck. Why are you waiting out here? The tunnel's blocked and you can't get through? I'd better take a look. Whoa! There's been a cave-in. Another cave-in! We're trapped inside. Don't worry, I've got my toolkit. We're going to need a bigger toolkit. Not even Tilly's strong enough to move the rock. How are we going to get out? I didn't know you were so strong. Mummy Truck saved the day. I'd better call Eric the excavator to clear away all these rocks. See you all soon for more fun and adventure at Gecko's Garage. Hello, everyone. We've been having a picnic and now it's home time. Remember, Mex, don't leave anything behind. One, 2, 3, 4 mechanicals. Blue? Blue! Where are you? We've lost Blue! Green, come with me. We have to find him. Garage doors open again. It's time to find our little friend. Blue! Blue! Oh, where is he? Blue! Hang on! We'll get you out! Tilly! Let's use your winch to lower me down! Nuts and bolts! No more tow rope! Oh, poor Blue. You've had some bumps. We can use your rocket to get us out of here. Nothing a little tweak can't fix. We'll be out of here in just 2 ticks. Righty-tighty. Let's get you back to the garage. Well done, everyone. We found Blue. And now let's fix him up like new. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Unlike mine, your legs are round to help you move along the ground. Let's get those arms fixed, left and right, by making sure the joints are tight. And last of all, a new respray. Now you can go back out and play. Oh, baby Blue, sleep well then. We're so happy you're home again. Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, hello, everyone. Me and Blue were just heading out to get a Christmas tree for the garage.
Oh,
It's Bobby the bus. He's stuck. Oh. This hot chocolate will warm you up. Don't worry, Bobby. We'll soon get you unstuck. Oh. It's no good. Unhook us, Blue. We'll try something else. Oh no! Now Tilly is stuck in the snow. Oh dear, Blue. It looks like we're stuck too. Don't be sad, Blue. Someone will help us. At least we have this hot chocolate to keep us warm. Oops! Look! The hot chocolate melted the snow. I have an idea. Hee! It worked! Hang on, Bobby. You're welcome, Bobby. But what are we going to do with this fallen tree? Aha! Perfect! Merry Christmas, everyone!
hello, everyone. Today, we're at the beach for some rest and relaxation. Whoa! Careful with your belongings, Blue, or you might lose them. Oh, fantastic work, Eric and Dylan. And you too, Blue.
Hola, Gecko! What a spectacular sand garage!
Thanks, Cat. Did you find any buried treasure with your metal detector?
See, whenever my detector finds something made of metal, it makes this sound.
Amazing! It's a treasure trove. Ah, what a perfect end to a great day at the beach. Time to go home. Rusty wrenches! Where are my garage keys? Did they fall in the sand?
The keys are made of metal. Let's look for them with my metal detector.
Great idea, Cat.
There. I think your keys are inside the sand garage.
Inside? I must have dropped them while making the sand garage. Thanks, Cat. Now to get them out.
Hurry! The sun is setting and soon it will be too dark to find them.
Hang on, Red. Our friends Eric and Dylan worked very hard on this sand garage. Digging might destroy it.
If only we could pull the keys out without breaking the sandcastle.
That's it, Cat. We can use a magnet to find the keys. But we're going to need some help.
What tools do we need? Wrench, screwdriver.
Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this.
A magnet instead of spades and hands will pull the keys through the sand. We'll attach this magnet to Eric's arm to reach the keys without doing harm. Eric's arm will help us reach the keys hidden underneath this beach.
Meow wow! That must be the keys.
Yes, indeed. This way, Eric. Phew! We got the keys! And the sand garage is safe. Now let's head on home. Wait, where did Blue go?
We might need a bigger magnet for this one.
I think you're right. Goodbye, everyone.
Almost back at the garage, Mechanicals.
Whoa!
Someone's dropped rubbish on the road. There's lots of it. And Mama Recycle does not look happy. Come on, if we follow the trail, we'll find out who's dropping it. The trail goes to the left. It's Dylan, the dump truck. His broken tailgate's dropping litter. But his music's so loud he doesn't notice. Mechanicals! We've got to turn down Dylan's music. Let's recycle and save the day. Using things we've thrown away. Dylan! Dylan!
Oh?
Your tailgate's broken. But don't worry, I'll fix it. While Mama Recycle and the Mechanicals sort the rubbish. All done. How's the recycling going? See you again soon for more adventures at Gecko's Garage. Dylan, turn it down. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble. Go, go, Tilly tow truck. It's Eric, the excavator. I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar trap. Oh, Blue. I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach. And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye!
Hello, everyone. We're going to the beach today. Remember, mechanicals, only take what we need. Huh? Oh! Garage doors open wide. It's time to go to the seaside. Go, Tilly tow truck. Green can't wait for an ice cream. Oh no! Vicky's broken down. Let's take a look. I see the problem. Let's tow you to the beach and I'll fix you there. Are you all right, Tilly? If you need to take a break, that's okay. Spinning screwdrivers! Now we're stuck. We'll get you home, Tilly, but first we have to help Vicky. No wonder you're feeling tired. A brand new spark plug is what's required. You'd best get going, Vicky. We'll just have to go to the beach another day. We need to fix Tilly. Hi, Trevor. Would you be able to help us, please? I have an idea. Thanks, Trevor. Good as new. Our dear friend Tilly, we love you the best. Now what you need is a well-earned rest. But first, go outside. You all deserve a special treat. Ta-da! If we can't go to the beach with our friends can bring the beach to us. Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. It's Green's birthday, and we're getting ready for a beach party. Steady! These are helium balloons, so they float up. Everything's ready. We're just waiting for Fiona Fire Truck to bring Green's birthday cake. Careful, Fiona.
Don't drive on the wet sand. Quick! The tide's coming in! Oh! We'll get you out somehow, Fiona. Aha! We can lift her out with all of your balloons, Green. I know you love your balloons, but Fiona really needs them. Can we use them, please? It's working! It's working! Uh-oh! It's working too well! She's flying off! That's it! Go, go, Mechanicals! Nice work, Mechanicals! And here come the rest of the party guests. Glad you could make it, everyone. Well done for sharing, Green. And happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me! Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdrivers! Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Oh. Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye! You're right, Green. There's a fire! It looks like Fiona fire truck is on her way. Oh no! Mummy and Baby Truck are having a play race. They're brumming too loud to hear Fiona's siren. Fiona, it's time we fitted you with a louder siren. Come on, Mechanicals. Time to fit Fiona's new siren. That's it. We need a nice loud nee-naw sound. All done. Give it a go, Fiona. That's not right. It sounds like a doorbell. Let's try again. And that sounded like a dinosaur. We need a Nino. That was a Nino, but it needs to be much louder. That traffic cone made you louder, Yellow. Maybe something like that will work with the siren. Now that's a loud Nino. Bye, Fiona. Thanks for visiting Gecko's garage.
Ah!
Whoa! A pothole! I'll get Dylan the dump truck and Eric the excavator to fill it in. Oh dear! Bobby the bus looks like he's in trouble. Nuts and bolts! He's had a crash! Let's pull him out, Tilly. Oh, don't worry, Bobby. We'll get you fixed up and back on the road. Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Now to find out what's wrong, Bobby. First, we'll check your eyes. Go, go, mechanicals! So there's nothing wrong with your eyes then. Let's check your wheels. No problems with your wheels either. Aha! I found the problem. You've got a bent axle. No worries. We'll soon straighten your axle. No more zigzagging for you. Your axle is as good as new. I'm glad we could set Bobby straight. It feels so good to help a friend.
Spinning screwdrivers, mechanicals! This door is really stuck! Was that you, Tilly? Look! It's Trevor the tractor! Oh, sounds like you could use our help. Follow me. Nuts and bolts. I can see the problem already. We need to repair your gears. Mex, we'll need some gear oil and Grandma Gecko's super strong wrench. Whoa! Careful, mechanicals. You need strong muscles to clench to lift up this wrench. Ah, there. That's better. Those are some cosy cogs. Try it now, Trevor. Tractors need strong gears to push and pull heavy loads. Perhaps Trevor could use his strength to help us. Pull away, friends! Hooray! Great job, team! See you again soon, Trevor. Bye!
Hello, everyone. Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? No! Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We frightened Baby Truck away! Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Where's all this mess come from? Mr. Weasel, are you okay?
I made Vicky the fastest ice cream truck in the world, but she jetted off before I could have an ice cream.
We have to stop Vicky before she causes any more damage. Here she comes. Ready, Blue? Blue, quick, hit the off button! Oh, phew! Well done, Blue.
I still haven't had my ice cream. Oh!
Oh!
I hate rockets.
Come on, Mechanicals. Let's go and check he's okay. See you again soon. Bye! All right, Mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please?
Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.